Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again. Good morning and good afternoon. For today's video guys, ito yung ginawa natin na signature hair color. So ang gusto ni ma'am is hindi siya totally light. Kaya yung color niya guys, nilagyan natin siya ng more on low lights. Tapos na i-mix pa rin yung highlights niya guys. Pero hindi siya as in sobrang light yung ginawa natin. Dahil ang gusto ng client is hindi siya as in sobrang dark at hindi rin siya sobrang light. So, naiko-contrast niya lang talaga guys at yung effect niya is nabe-blend lang talaga na hindi siya obvious na sobrang light. So, ayan guys, yung pinaka-ano niya, darker shade. Tapos, nilagyan din natin siya ng shadow roots para pag humaba yung hair ng client, hindi siya obvious na as in meron na siyang new regrowth hair. So, ayan guys, yan yung version guys na darker shade na signature hair color. And I hope you like it guys and don't forget to follow our page. Thank you so much and God bless.